Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. Today I am here with a video of plant pots ideas, DIY plants containers ideas and cost effective solutions. As you can see in this video, I compiled stylish plant pots because you may not have the space or patience to become an expert gardener, but anyone can feel like a professional when using container gardens. You need a container, a pot, planter, and potting soil and some plants. Now you are ready to go. Gardening is easy when thinking about in this way. Container ideas or plant pots ideas can be endless. So endless you may need some inspiration to point you and your pots in the right direction. From fall container gardening to hanging container gardening, we have got tons of ideas for you. This simple gardening solution is even an opportunity for indoor container and outdoor containers also. These photos that I compiled for you of plant pots ideas will inspire you to dirty your hands and up your porch or patio with some colorful new planted pots in no time. In this video, you can see a compilation of different types of pots like metal stand pots, herb appeal, pot step containers, handmade painting pots, customized pots, hanging wicker container, bright tabletop containers, and modern urn container, modern hanging containers, modern tabletop containers, rustic washtub containers, rustic hanging bucket containers, rustic toolbox containers, and romantic freestanding urn, romantic hanging basket, orange and white, black and white, colorful handmade painting containers. I hope you like this video. Then please thumbs up and appreciate my efforts. As you can see, all the containers are for your outdoor and indoor also.